So now we have what we call the square brow. The brow is literally square, creating a box right in the front. The goal is to connect the brow at the bottom and connect it at the top so we can take away that squareness. So what we want to do is take the brow gel and we want to go ahead and connect right underneath here. So at first you're going to be like, oh my gosh, that's a lot of brow. Do not worry about it, because this is where your concealer comes into play, because as you can see, it's created one thick brow. You want to take your concealer and right here at the bottom, you want to come in and you want to connect everything together. Look at that, already you have that perfect brow. See that? So the goal is to connect, 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 and your concealer plays the role of the savior, right? We're connected. So then what I'm going to do is take my concealer at the top too, right here, right? So I can see where I need to add in, blend at the top. I'm telling you, the concealer plays a really awesome role. And also the gel plays a really awesome role, because it just helps you play around with it until you get the perfect brow. Here you go, and see that? Already we got that brow. Blend that in right there. Blend it in at the bottom. Can you see we've already taken off the squareness and everything's connected? And then what I want to do is take my brow pen so that I can get that right precision at the end. Look at that. Right. That's just only because I like that sharpness, and if you don't like that sharpness, you can just go in there with the brow gel and just blend it in. And then what I'm going to do is take my concealer, and then I'm going to come in here and perfect it. There we go. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, right there. And then, ta-da! Fix it.